In this video, I'm going to share with you how I get my everyday makeup look using clean beauty products, meaning products that don't contain a lot of harsh chemicals. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Marissa Buscemi. If you are new here, I am a pharmacist and health coach, and I share on everyday wellness with good food and natural living. Non-toxic living and low-tox living is something that I am super passionate about. I started making the switch from conventional products over to all natural, clean, non-toxic ones about 4 years ago now, and it completely transformed my health. I learned a very important lesson in my 20s, and that is that we really need to take a step back and view our health holistically, mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. And our health is not just about what foods we eat or how much exercise we do, which are really like the two main things that we usually immediately think of when we're thinking about health and wellness, but it's also about, our spiritual health and also our environment, our what products we're using in our home and just like on ourselves, so our personal care products. And a big one of those is makeup. And when you think about it, we are applying makeup to our face most days out of the week. And most of us use like a minimum of like 5 different products, and they are directly coming into contact with our skin. They're staying there all day, so many hours, especially sensitive areas like on our eyes and on our lips. And in my opinion, it's super important to use clean beauty products that don't contain toxic chemicals that can negatively affect our health. But before I made the switch, I was very skeptical that clean beauty products would live up to my expectations, but I was definitely wrong. You can 100% get a beautiful makeup look using clean beauty products. And nowadays, there are a lot of different brands out there selling them, which is great because you have lots of options to choose from. I'm going to show you guys the clean beauty products that I'm currently using to get my everyday natural glowing makeup look. I am not the best by any means at makeup, but I do have a simple routine down, and I have basically one look and this is it. So it is minimal, but it's doable for me. And I hope that it inspires you to make the switch over to using clean makeup. Okay, so here is what my face looks like without any makeup on. First thing I do is splash some water on my skin first thing in the morning to help rehydrate my skin. I also like to drink filtered water first thing in the morning as well. That way I am rehydrating my skin from the inside and from the outside. Then I apply a few drops of my glow serum. This has been my secret to getting healthy, glowing looking skin. It has rosehip oil with a few essential oils. I make it myself, and it helps to moisturize my skin and make it look glowing. And it also helps me blend in the makeup very easily. I let the glow serum sit on my skin for like 30 seconds and then I get started. So I usually do this in my bathroom, but the lighting in there is horrendous. And so I decided to come down to where I normally sit to film videos because the lighting is much better. So hopefully you guys can get a better look at the different colors. And there's no filter or anything on here. So this way you can get a better look at the makeup itself. And also bear with me here because I am pretty much blind without my glasses on, but I have to take them off to put my makeup on. So I'll be holding this handheld mirror super close to my face throughout the video. So I start with the concealer. I use the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Silk from Merit for this. It helps to brighten my under eye area and it just glides right on. I also use it on any other places that need to be covered up. Then I use the blending brush from Merit to blend that into my skin. It sits so well all throughout the day and it doesn't look cakey or fade as the day goes on. And the brush is buttery soft feeling like on your skin. It feels so luxurious. And in the past, I've always just used my fingers to blend in my makeup so that I can save money on brushes because they can get kind of expensive if you get like good quality ones. But when you do that, you can over tug on your skin and that daily process can contribute to the appearance of wrinkles, something I would like to avoid. I finally broke down and I bought this one from Merit and I can literally never go back. It is so definitely worth having a good blending brush in your makeup bag. And I use this same brush to blend in like pretty much all of my makeup. So I get my use out of it. Next up is bronzer. I used to never use it, mostly because I always thought that it looked way too strong and concentrated in one area of my face when I applied it. And I personally just didn't like that look on myself, but this bronzer from Merit is so different. It's creamy and it's very easy to apply, and it blends in effortlessly on my skin, especially when I use the blending brush. I have a lot of makeup from Merit, and what I really like about their stuff is that it's pretty much like impossible to mess it up, which is so nice since I am no expert. And I am used to applying my makeup very quickly in the morning as I'm getting ready for my day. It usually doesn't take me longer than like 5 or 6 minutes to do all of this. So for my bronzer, I use the shade Cien. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I will list it on the screen. I apply it to my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and on both cheeks by the cheekbones, and on my upper eyelid. Next, I apply some blush. I love a good pinky blush on my cheek. I think that it looks so pretty on, and it really helps to brighten up my face. I have 2 different shades of the Flush Balm Cream Blush from Merit, and I love them. They're so easy to apply. The first one I have is in the shade Rouge, and that's actually the one that I am wearing today. And it looks like a very bright red, which actually kind of looks intimidating, and I was definitely nervous when I bought it and before I used it, but it blends in so well, and it really just helps me get a classy rosy pink cheek look, which is really what I want because that's what I love. And the other shade I just recently got, and it's in the shade Cheeky. I just think that it's so pretty. It's like a very cool pink color, and it has a little shine to it, which I think is really beautiful. So I add a little to both cheeks and also on the bridge of my nose, and then I will also apply it on my lips as well. So whatever I use on my cheeks, I also use on my lips. Now for some eyeshadow, I use this liquid powder eye tint from Ilia Beauty. It's cool because it's a liquid that dries like eyeshadow powder. I have it in the shade Glaze. It's pretty neutral in color, which I like, but it does have a little shimmer to it, which I also like. And I used to have to use 2 different eyeshadows in order to create that on my eyelid, but now I just use this. For this, I have been just using my ring finger to blend that out. Next is some eyeliner. Eyeliner is my favorite makeup product. If I had just one to pick from to put on in the day, this would be it. I use the Clean Line Gel Liner from Ilia in the shade Twilight, which is black. I apply it to both the upper and lower eyelid. Now it's time for some mascara. I use the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. I love this mascara. It's from Merit. First off, it's super easy to apply. I find it annoying when I have to put on several coats to get long lashes, but with this mascara, I don't have to do that, which is great. It's not clumpy either, and it washes off so easily at the end of the day, which is very convenient. And the last product that I use is a lip oil from Merit. I have it in 2 different shades. I have Pink Beat and Au Naturel. Pink Beat gives your lips like a nice pink look, especially when you have the Flush Balm color underneath it. And that's what I'm currently wearing right now. And then the Au Naturel is perfect for more of a like nude lip color, which I also love. This is incredibly hydrating for your lips. It literally got me through the winter without having dry, cracked lips, which no amount of lip balm can usually correct for me. So that was fantastic. And this truly is a must-have for me now at all times. And that is it. That's my everyday makeup look using clean, non-toxic beauty products. I've linked everything that I use in the description box, and I also listed the shades there too for easy reference. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more on healthy food, healthy eating, and natural living. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And as always, stay well, my friends. Bye.